Using point of view to amplify conflict. Hello everyone. Today, we'll delve into the exciting world of creative writing and explore how using different points of view can enhance and amplify the conflict in your stories. Are you ready? Let's get started. Point of view, often shortened to POV, refers to the perspective from which a story is told. It's like the lens through which we see the events unfold. There are several types, but the most common are: first person, I went to the store. The story is told from the perspective of the main character. Second person, you went to the store. The reader is directly addressed, though this is less common. Third person, he, she, they went to the store. The story is told about someone else, and can be limited, focused on one character's thoughts, or omniscient, all-knowing. Conflict is the heartbeat of every story. It's the challenge or obstacle the main character faces. By changing the point of view, you can add layers and dimensions to this conflict, making it more dynamic and engaging. For example, in first person, we are inside the character's head. We feel their emotions, grapple with their decisions, and experience the conflict intimately. In third person, we can see multiple sides of the conflict. We might understand why the antagonist is acting a certain way, creating a richer, more nuanced story. 1. Switching perspectives. If you're writing in third person, consider showing the conflict from multiple angles. This can reveal hidden motivations or tensions. 2. Internal versus external conflict. In first person, you can delve deep into a character's internal struggles. Maybe the external conflict is a dragon, but the internal conflict is the fear of failure. 3. Challenge the reader. In second person, challenge the reader to step into the character's shoes. Make them feel the weight of the conflict personally. By mastering the art of point of view and understanding its relationship with conflict, you can craft stories that resonate deeply with readers. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic and inspired you to experiment with POV in your own writing. Until next time, keep those creative juices flowing.